Let me get this set up real quick.
Truck 15 in the DMC.
Okay. Just rename it. I don't know why it takes 2 times, but apparently it does. Whatever, I guess.
Truck 15 in the DMC.
Okay, I don't understand why that has to work. We had to do that twice, but whatever. I wonder if that... No? No. Oh no, that's something different. Oops. Okay, I guess we're going to have to do this twice. I guess this is my life now. Oh. Okay. Oh, I wonder. Anything? I don't know. We're about to find out though. Let's. Find out. Okay, now, so we're good. I'll change that later, though. Let's make sure that check occasionally. Oh boy. Oh, but nothing breaks. All right, we're good. Cool. Let's see. Up some formatting. Let's see, we'll change. Let's rename this. I don't like that name. That's kind of a dumb name. Oh, nope. Head X. Head Y. Bruh. That's kind of annoying. In. Come on, man. Come on. It's kind of highly annoying, not gonna lie. Let's see. Change in Y head. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see. Formatting. Let's see what we got here. Loads. Okay, cool, cool. Still plays well. Yeah, I think this is pretty fair. To do, add a scoring system. I think this game could really benefit from a scoring system. I feel like without one, it just gets a little mundane, you know? So, and also, of course it would go there. I want to change the colors too. This green just seems almost stereotypical, maybe? What am I doing? I don't know what I was doing actually, but I want to change that end. I leave that black though. Or I can do dark red for the end. I'm not going to get too ahead of myself though. Let's try. Well, let's try it. It's right here. Oh, no, I'm an idiot actually. Although, in insight since that's going to be, let's see. I filtered the wrong spot. Let's try this. Cool. I like that a lot better. It looks a little more appropriate, I guess. Go ahead and move this text over too. Width. Hold up. I just want to visualize here. Alright, so maybe if we do a quarter divided by, let's see, screen width of maybe 4. Oh, here, see. Let's try this now. Not quite. Actually, it probably could be divided by 8. Oh, I forgot to close the old one. And something, I broke something. Or maybe this is just flat out broken. Actually, it's just, this just flat out. Hold up. Gotta find out why that doesn't work sometimes. Okay. Divided by 8. Yeah, let's try that. That looks great, actually. Might put it up a little bit higher though, so maybe divide it by 3 for the width or for the height. See how this looks. I'm gonna change the font up too, actually. I don't really like this font. Oh, that looks beautiful. I actually have no clue how to change the font yet though, so color. Let's just look. Font in. Let's just look. Oh, I think it's this actually. I can't remember. I just kind of followed the instructions last time. Yeah, no. Fixed sys red. Which one of these is my... Oh, I fucking closed it. Of course I would. There we go. Second, we're gonna. Right. Probably won't work, but oh no. Right. Um, Judge me, I'm kind of lazy. This isn't an art-based game, damn it. Tired. It's probably gonna be short stream. What's the next thing we're gonna implement? Oh no, we're gonna finish actually changing all this shit that's everywhere. Okay, cool. How about like, well, I don't know. At a scoreboard. That's not gonna be. That every time, so we're gonna put it here because this will be reset each game. So let's see now. Whenever okay. Formatting. Here's something. and we're gonna print to the console. Okay, cool. Looks like we've got that working, but that works as intended. So state it on the screen. Instead of this, what do we have? Screen message. Yeah, this is probably going to place in the. So let's see. No, it just breaks the game. Okay. Kind of dumb. Oh, I forgot to. Probably what it is. Try this. Not gonna work. Actually, what if we try fuck that up. Try format instead. Eh. Right now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that's good. Getting somewhere. Have to let it display for more than one frame. But oh my god, no. Let's just close that. Start off with. Actually, it probably needs to go in the main loop. Not in something that's gonna go so quickly. I'm just kind of stabbing in the dark. Oh, it doesn't even play at all. Okay, so never mind. Dude. Why doesn't it close all the way? Down here. Got a clock. How are we gonna do this? It's the question of the century right there. The while loop? In a while loop though, so. Oh, that's why it needs to be in this loop, but. So probably like right here. Yeah, boy. That was easy. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now that I got scores working. Okay, that. Alright, so this is good. Okay, so this is good because it kind of gives you a little bit of a sense of achievement. Oh, in the nice EA memes, it gives the players a sense of achievement. But cool. Bad there. Alright, so now I'm gonna have to format this. I'm probably just gonna create a whole new function actually. Okay. Yeah, it's appearing where the other one is, so. So that means I should probably rename this one so I don't get confused. game over message. So we're going to change this to here we go. Where do we want this? We want this like maybe that's not good. Oh, it might just be out of.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar
Uh.
DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Tell them that you like that line. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again. Tell them turn up the bass. DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back.
This just happened to.
Better DJ bring it back. Dollar DJ turn it up, better DJ bring it back. Tell them play that shit again.
Oh, I'm not in the radio. That's why. Let's go to song radio, whatever. I heard that song yesterday. Okay, we good. Oh. Maybe it's not even on the screen is why. Ah, yeah, that's what it was. It just wasn't on the screen. Okay, so that's 4. So 8. 16 should be right up in there. Try 16. Ah, yes. Now this is something I can get behind. I don't know, I kind of want it up a little bit higher, not gonna lie. Front of the blocks. And on this screen, I want it to display the score. There's probably an easier way to do all these. I'm just gonna leave it up here. Top corner. No, let's just copy it. Fuck it. Excellent. It'll just stay up there. Oh, yes. Do a high score. You know what? We'll just make a high score like a stretch goal. High score can be a stretch goal. So, don't worry about that now. I'm just glad to have a score system set up.
Okay, smash it quick, yeah, promise no smell beats, yeah, 彼は大きな lady, yeah, 慣れて跳ねて baby, yeah, right quick, right now, shield down, cause whoa, briefcase, yeah, 束ねた word, いずれ worldwide, いずれない K, check, right now, line up,
Accidentally went back. I'm so debated. I don't know if I like the song or if I don't like the song. This is why I don't like going on Yellow Claws. There was stuff. Oh, whoops. Dang it. Okay. Let's see. What's your word for me? You know what we need? We need some. Yeah, fuck it. We'll just go back to see what the best this song has. Alright. We'll work from here. Okay, let's scratch some of this. You know what, let's throw a high score in there. We're gonna have to create a new file though. Speaking of new file, get rid of this shit. Don't need that. How do you create new files again in Python? Let's see. Okay. Let's see, oh my gosh. Ready. W plus. Okay. Do a highscores.txt file. I don't remember what the arguments are for this, so we'll just do that. Okay, that should create a new file. Alright, so W plus is for write plus, or create a new one if, okay, so good. Read, let's see, reading that file. Probably, but whoops. Actually, do R plus. I wish I remembered how to do this all off the top of my head. Read the file. Oh no, wait. What is this? Let's see, high score equals f dot read. And here, over, this is just theoretical. Let's see. Place, oh no, it needs to be at the end. Side of the while loop. But maybe? No, it should be in the exit. If score is greater than high score. or equals score, and then right. Fuck, I'm gonna fuck this all up. No, let's just try this. Fuck, yeah, our plus is not a thing. Okay. That's highly unfortunate. Oh, that was the one that was open. Rip. Come on. I hate it when it gets stuck like this. Try this again. Fuck this all up, I know it. What? No way. Oh, shit. Okay, then. Problem. Oh, this might be the wrong. That's the wrong one. I let mine be. Okay, that explains a lot. Yeah, that was another version of this that I was working on, but okay. I was getting worried there for a moment. Why? This is debugging in straight Python. Thanks. Right, and where's the score? Where's all my changes? I know I changed. I don't think I did. Did I not save? Bitch, I saved. I know I saved. That's extremely gay. No, it went back on. It rolled back all those changes. No way. Oh, that's so gay. Everything I've done today so far is literally gone. You're fucking kidding me, dude. Almost every change I've done today. Oh, that's so gay. This shit not updating. Stupid. Extraordinarily stupid. Ugh. Life, dude. I know what works and what doesn't work, so whatever. Go ahead and redo this, I guess. Stupid. Why the fuck does this not save? I've been pushing save like every single time I saved. I almost refuse to believe it. Yeah, I refuse to believe that that didn't. Fuck. How doesn't that work? That later. It wasn't too much, so. I don't know why that doesn't change, and that's extremely annoying. God, dude, what the fuck? That's this fucking cloud computing shit. No, that's dumb. Whatever. Okay. Not real. Is dark red. I gotta change these names up here. That's weird. That's a bug, I think. Because, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a bug. That's dumb. Luckily, I remember a lot of the changes, so. Thankfully, I remember the change. Nice. Okay. Same. Function. What was this? It was divided by 16th, I believe. Yeah. 2. These were 4. This was 8 and 3. Just run this real quick. Make sure that all works. And I think I still have to change some colors too. I do. But yeah, that looks good. Good. Like how that looks. Okay, yeah, score, which is one. Good, and then it was. Whoops. That should work now, or not. Okay. Oh, instead it'll crash. The problem here, screen text is not defined. But yeah, it's message. No, that's broken too. Do one. What? Oh. There, dude. What the fuck? Okay, so something's still broken. No? No? Why don't we have the screen up here? Oh, I forgot to update. Because it's got to be right here. Okay. Where did I put it? Yeah. Okay, so it didn't do the, it's not running again like it wasn't doing earlier, so you know what? Control just Control C this. Close it. Does that shit again. C and okay. Don't know what the fuck happened last time, but whatever. It's fine. Oh, wait. What? Oh. Oh, come on, dude. Really? That red dot went up there, and the spot it's supposed to be in. I was a little confused, not gonna lie. Dude, what? Let's see. Ah, that's what it was. It's just a bot, that's all. Okay. Yes, I did actually think about increasing the width. Yeah, this is more just kind of an early prototype, kind of. I'm probably going to try to do more polishing up. I'm just trying to get something that's playable that, you know, I can at least at the bare minimum turn in. But as time goes on, I do plan on adding more to it. Thank you. Appreciate it. It's kind of interesting. Appreciate the compliments. But yeah, I'm just trying to get some. I do agree though. There's a lot I want to add to it. I can't hit this. There's a lot that I would like to add on here. It's very, very basic right now. I want to add another functionality to where you can where it like creates a new text file and then it saves your high score. Or even better, like at the beginning, there's like an input where you can actually input your name, kind of like a login screen, kind of, just without the username and password. But I want to do something like that. It just kind of depends on how much time I have, because I got about 2 weeks, but there's some other kinks I want to kind of fix up beforehand, actually. So, actually, I wish I had set up like a version control with this, to be honest, but yeah, it is what it is. No, this is just schoolwork, actually. My Python final project. It's we got to choose to do something, and I chose to just remake Snake, the arcade game. Not quite good enough for Londonderry or anything yet. That's on my to-do list, though. Our school actually hosts like game jams and stuff. One of these days I'm gonna go once I get better, but not quite there. Appreciate it though. Yeah, and actually I do plan on doing, after probably once the semester gets over, probably more where my friends and I are actually working on this more interesting game. Might stream that a little more too. It just kind of depends. MVS. Oh, okay, so I have actually tried Visual Studios, and I use Visual Studios, the full version of Visual Studios for like C++, but honestly, just for what I need, just like for something small like this, Visual Studio Code actually runs pretty well. I mean, it's got its kinks here and there, might have saw from earlier in the streams, it's still a little buggy at times, but it's just really lightweight, and it's all I really need for something like this. But if, yeah, I do actually, I kind of dabble around in Unreal Engine and C++ sometimes, and I use Visual Studios for that, the full version. But yeah, Visual Studio Code is hands down the best like editor, just small editor that I've used. I was told about it on Twitter by Ben Porter. He's telling everybody to use it, and I was like, what the heck is this? So I decided to give it a shot, and yeah, I kind of love it. Pretty much use it for everything now that it's applicable for. That I'm not using it. If I'm not using a full IDE, I'm definitely using Visual Studio Code. This is definitely how you make an Electron app. So far, this and Discord are the two best apps I've seen written in Electron. And I'm glad to see something actually can give a good example, because it kind of has a bad rap. Yeah. Actually, for web development, I'm actually making my website in WebStorm by JetBrains. It's like a full-featured JavaScript IDE. It's like, it is so nice. I actually considered streaming my making my actual website. I might do that one of these. I'll probably do that maybe on break or something. I use WebStorm. It's so nice. It's got so many nice things to it. But Sublime, yeah, that's also a really good one. It actually, okay. It is if you're a student. If you have a student ID, or not like a student email, you can actually sign up and get all their products for free. If not, it isn't free, unfortunately. I can't remember how much it is, though. It's on JetBrains' website, though. Let's see. I'll just post it in the chat. But that's the their site. I don't know how much it is, though, honestly. But I have it for free because I'm a student, so that's like super helpful. All right, sounds good. Appreciate you stopping by. Alrighty, what did we do here? God. Where can we add to this? Let's see, what can we do from here? We could maybe work on building the high score system. I don't know. Yeah, what the hell? Let's work on that maybe. Let's see, creating a file. Sorry, I wish I had a third screen. Got 3 windows open right here. That's just ridiculous. But, oh well. 3 tabs open on the same window. Okay. Going to build
this
a
my
s-
tutorial level. I had this enemy.
Let's put this up in the corner a little more. Don't really like the positioning of that. I guess. Can't really tell a whole lot of difference in the location, but it looks a little better maybe. Just wait. I know it's exponentially gonna get more and more difficult, but let's see. Okay. That looks a little better, I guess. It's kind of out of the way, but not like too out of the way. I like this. Sorry. That roommate's in the background, rip. Okay, this is good. Game. Let's see if we can build this high score system. I actually am not that great. I mean, I know a little bit about working with new files, but I am not gonna lie, I am not super great at it. So this is gonna be just hella experimentation. That's true. I do agree. JetBrains, not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't be using the product if I didn't already get it for free from the from school. I agree. They're pretty expensive, especially when Visual Studio itself is free. I do agree though. I love ReSharper. When I was trying to learn more stuff about Unity, I used ReSharper in Unity, and it is just a blessing. All the added functionality is just so useful. I love it. What kind of stuff do you do? I see web dev. I assume you use C# for that kind of stuff. Oh no, Unity also. Nice. That's cool. You got any cool games, or are you just kind of experimenting around? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Shoot, man, you should stream it too. It's really fun. Or if not, just it's cool. Oh. I guess links are I guess for some reason links don't work. I feel ya. It's understandable. How you liking Unity so far? It actually got the link actually got deleted. I am not sure how to edit that. I'm still kind of new to the whole Twitch thing, not gonna lie, but oh, I agree with you. I love Unity. Unity is nice. I'm so split between Unreal and Unity because they're both really good engines. It's I like them both. Unity is a lot. I like Unity because it's a lot simpler. I feel like I can get a final version of something built in Unity easier, but I like Unreal. One thing I use Unreal for is because I love blueprints. It's so easy to prototype with. It makes things a lot faster. Getting a text file. Read. Okay. We're going to create a... No, we're just going to read. Oh no. Yeah, they do. They do. That's why a lot of people that I've talked to either only use blueprints strictly for prototyping or just like small things where it's easier to just build like a door opening animation or something. Not like anything too hardcore. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely a beast of its own. I like the challenge though. Not gonna lie. That and C++. C++ is very verbose, but you can use it for a lot. It's difficult though, but it's cool. It's cool. I agree though. I actually been using the Ben Tristram's like game dev TV thing on Udemy for Unreal Engine. It's a really good course if you're interested. He also has a really good Unity course. I mean, I'm sure you already probably use Unity and stuff, but both are really cool for game development, especially if you don't know much of anything, which I'm sure you already know some stuff. But oh yeah, it's an awesome Unity course. Yeah, that guy. Well, he's awesome. Got awesome stuff. Love that course. Apparently they're remaking the Unity course too. Have you got the new one? Let's see, to read. Yeah, his, oh, actually, I saw on Twitter, because I follow him on Twitter, he's actually creating a new course. It's a character modeling. Yeah, I love his new one, too. I try and keep up with it when I have spare time, but I just don't have a lot of spare time. But he's also creating a character animation and modeling course. I just saw it on Twitter, like today or yesterday. It was really interesting. Because I think their current course is just for like the Blender one. I think it's just mostly 3D modeling in general. But like they're making a new one. It's specifically about characters and all that. I'm like super interested, not gonna lie. It looks really interesting. Yeah, I can't either, but if you were interested, didn't know if you, yeah, same. Didn't know if you were interested in it, but I agree with you. I've tried my hand at the art side, but nah, I'll let the artists stick with the art. I'll stick with this. I fully agree with you. I like the challenge. Art I mean, total respect, but I just can't wrap my head around everything that they do. especially like my biggest problem. Yeah, same. My biggest problem is trying to get what's in my head out onto either whatever I'm looking at, or yeah, just like if I'm modeling something or drawing something. Like I have this cool picture in my head, but I'm not really good at getting it out. That's my biggest problem. And you know, I know that, you know, they say that if you practice enough, nah, you're good. This is more interesting. It adds an extra level of flavor to it. Adds a little extra personality to the stream. Let's see. This. Okay, where was I? Or not where was I, but typed it somewhere, but I forgot where I typed it. Oh no, it's right here. So let's see, open. See if I'm gonna I don't know if I've already created it, so. Or so no, you know what, let's just assume that I've. And we'll just put the default as it's so cold in this room. Let's see. It's gonna be a lot of me researching and testing around. Let's see. Oh, wait. Let's see. For reading. Oh, wait. F dot. So. Still kind of just learning I'm basically learning as I go. Not really, but because we kind of did some of this in class, but I've kind of forgotten it because I haven't had to work with multiple files in a while, so in this regard I'm kind of just learning as I go. Plus I'm still kind of new to the whole coding scene, so there's probably more efficient ways to do things than I'm doing them. But over time, it gets better. Let's see, high score equals and read dot open. All right, high score equals actually, let's turn this into an. Right, this is questionable right here. I don't know if this is gonna work, but yeah, I agree. It's just practice. You know, that's the best way, man. And it's weird because, or it's funny because I actually started like my very first coding was JavaScript back when I was 16 in high school. This is because at the time I was like super interested in Minecraft. This is my Minecraft days, and at the time I got JavaScript and Java actually mixed up. So I'm sitting here taking a course on Codecademy on JavaScript, and I'm like, oh, this is so cool. And then actually read an article later down that JavaScript wasn't the same thing as Java, and like my whole world was crushed. Almost. It was funny. I mean, I still kind of dabbled, or I know, right? It's so funny. I mean, I still dabbled around in code, and I graduated and started taking some web dev courses at a community college. But yeah, it turns out the community college was teaching a lot of out-of-date stuff like Adobe Flash, and Adobe Flash is already dead, so I just quit that and came down here. But yeah, so I kind of wish I kept learning, or kind of wish I kept trying to learn more JavaScript as I went, because if I did, because that would have been what, 6 years ago now? Yeah, right? Right? I'm glad I'm not the only one. If I had just stuck with it. Oh well. It is what it is. It was, that was an interesting time. Minecraft days. Not gonna lie though, that game kind of pushed me a lot into the coding scene in that regard. And then when I graduated, I was like, well, you know, I kind of already know a little bit of web dev. Oh shoot. Dang, that's pretty cool. What language? What languages have you been working in there? Oh, sorry. Got roommates going on in the background, but it's all good. Just HTML. Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh. HTML has changed so much. Just between version 4 and 5. It's just... I remember when version 5 came out, because that's actually about the time I started taking college courses in it, was because HTML5 was like the new thing. And just between those, the differences between those has just been crazy. But I can only imagine back then it was probably way more basic. Actually, I know it was way more basic. Okay, let's see. I've read the change logs for HTML. It's definitely a thing. Oh, my god. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool.
Kind of just stands by that place you teleported.
I've been trying to see. I was actually on the road. It's funny you mention it. I was on the road to learning more about PHP, but like everybody kept telling me that mostly just WordPress and like legacy systems use PHP. So they told me to stay away and just do more JavaScript. Back when I was doing web development. So, but, oh well. I mean, I know it still has its uses, like Facebook, but that's pretty cool though. Let's see, high score. I don't even know if this is gonna work. Let's just take a stab. To find. Oh yeah, I'm fucking all this up. I'm just gonna turn my mic down for a second. Okay, so I found out the problem to that. It turns out I just needed the quotes. Of course, I would forget that. But let's see. So now, did I not print high score somewhere? Can't remember if I printed high score or not. Just to make sure it's working. Oh no. Let me try. Oh, that's. Oh yeah. That's pretty dope though. Pretty cool.
2 out of 5.
Oh yeah, hire you slave to do all the hard work. Only mildly kidding. That's all good. I appreciate it. I will be definitely streaming more of this, maybe tomorrow, depending on how. I'm probably gonna be off here soon too. I'm actually really tired. I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you. It makes my day that somebody actually stopped by to watch me struggle. So I appreciate that. Oh, okay, that's cool. Yeah, no, it's okay. I saw. I'm just messing. I appreciate it. Hope you have a good day at PUBG, and may every game you play, you get first place.
It was right there, wasn't it? It was right there, wasn't it?
Let's see. To read a file.
Couldn't get to
Yep.
the fucking level.
See ya. Later, dude. Later, dude.
Jokes! What?
Such a good song.
Right here?
Surface by Aircord. Really good. A good bass drop. Oh yeah, I was gonna print out. Did not print a high score yet. Let's
What?
see.
What?
Okay, so we're going to want to check the end of the game if the high score is the same as. So or blank this game. Alright, so probably like right here. Actually, we'll do that we'll do the logic first. So if 4 is greater than pi, or then high. Oh god, I cannot type. And I don't know how to overwrite what is already in there though, so just see if this works. Let's see how this runs. Right, so this is. Oh, I would not. Oh wait, no, I have no way of actually knowing though. So let's go ahead and print out when the game ends. Let's go ahead and print out the high score too.
I'm not sure.
Print high score. Let's print that to the console. And
Yeah.
alright, let's see here. Let's see what we got going on.
Do you think the
I do want to change these colors too eventually.
that seems like
because I don't know, it just feels very stereotypical maybe. Alright, so let's see. 5. Okay, I only needed to print once.
I mean, if not, then
Wait, let's try this. Damn it, it did not work. Because it's supposed to... Oh, I forgot to write. Duh. If high score is greater... And then, let's see, to write to... Okay, so no, it is working though. It is working.
like if you were
That is
to,
the important part.
like something.
It is working, so... Alrighty, so that's actually a huge confidence booster. That it's working. I mean, I might not... I don't need to print it out though. I don't need to keep printing it because I know it's there, so...
But it's pretty cool.
If high score is... Then...
Like when you're like in a hurry.
And then write. Let's see how to write to a file.
You're not able to really see it.
Write how to create. F dot write.
I would change
F dot write. Let's try this. That. Okay. This is going... I don't know if this is going to work. But... I hope it doesn't keep looping over and over, though, actually. I hope it only writes it once.
not merge, but they're in
Let's see. Six. Shit. I see. Not writable. What? What? Okay. Alright, so that's not cool. Not writable. That could be a problem. Yeah, I don't understand.
What the fuck? I just
Right
saw it.
now, I don't
Oh,
understand.
oh,
But
oh.
let's turn this down. Of course it would. Go to the edge like this, rip. Okay, so I'm not sure about this IO text IO wrapper. Object has no attribute open. Okay, so I am not 100% sure about this, but so I am certainly confused, but okay then. Okay. You know, this is probably a good place to cut for the night. And I will consult or something. So I think I'm going to cut it here. So, yeah, because it doesn't write. So I'm going to have to try and figure out how to get this to overwrite this over the weekend. So that'll be it. Alright, thanks guys for watching. And I will see you guys. I believe I'll just see you guys next time around, where we continue this. Thanks for stopping by.